In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Base network to MetaMask, use the MetaMask bridge to send tokens, and explore the Base ecosystem. This is a great way to expand your crypto experience, and I'll guide you through each step to make the process as smooth as possible. Let's kick things off by diving into part 1, adding the Base network to your MetaMask. To start, you'll want to open your MetaMask extension. Now, at the top of MetaMask, you'll notice a network dropdown. Go ahead and click on that, and you'll see an option that says Add Network. Give that a click. You'll then find an option at the bottom of the page to add a network manually. That's where we're heading next. Here's what you need to enter for the Base mainnet network details. The network name should be Base. For the RPC URL, you'll input https://mainnet.base.org. The chain ID needs to be 8453, and the currency symbol is ETH. Lastly, enter https://basescan.org for the block explorer. Double check to make sure all details are correct, and then click Save. You should now see Base listed among your MetaMask networks. Moving on to part 2, using the MetaMask bridge to send tokens over to Base. Start by heading to the MetaMask portfolio bridge at https://portfolio metamask.io/bridge. Once you're there, find the Connect Wallet button and select MetaMask from the options provided. Next, under From Network, you need to pick the source network, which could be Ethereum, Arbitrum, or Polygon, depending on your current setup. Make sure that To Network is set to Base. Now, choose your token. Maybe you'd like to send ETH or USDC. For demonstration purposes, you might want to input a small mock amount like 0.01. Before proceeding, take a moment to review the estimated time and the bridge fee involved. If everything looks good, go ahead and click Review Bridge. MetaMask will then prompt you for confirmation to complete the process. Finally, in part 3, let's explore the Base ecosystem. To do this, navigate to https://www.base.org's ecosystem. Here you'll discover a variety of decentralized applications or dApps that you can explore. You'll see options such as Base Swap, Aerodrome, Friend.tech, and Layer 3, among others. Feel free to click into any of these dApps. By connecting your MetaMask wallet on Base, you can start exploring and interacting with these decentralized platforms. You'll get a first-hand experience of what each dApp has to offer. And that's it. By following these steps, you've expanded your blockchain horizons. If you enjoyed this guide, consider sharing it with others who might also be interested in expanding their crypto journeys. Stay curious and happy